Here we're going to be working on freehand sketching of some isometric block as we are given the orthographic views here now. So we have this first question. These views are given in first angle projection, and this is the front elevation and this is the plan. So we are going to put this part together to obtain its isometric view, freehand sketching. So when you have a problem like this, to make a freehand sketch of the isometric view, you are to take note of the main part of the object, the main part of the object. So what I mean is that the one that is going to give you the shape of the object. For me, looking at these views, we have this part, so this particular part, so this shape here to be the main part. So I first of all make a sketch of this part as we see here, so this shape as we see here, but the lowest point is at this point here, so that is very important. So we need to indicate the lowest point. Okay, so let's go and make a sketch of this shape that we see here. So after that, then we see the next thing to do. Okay, so let's go. All right, so in freehand sketching, we are not to tape our paper, so we leave it untaped. So let's start by sketching the shape that I showed you. So so first of all, make a short horizontal line like this. So we sketch it, and then so we indicate the lowest point. So this is the lowest point. So write X at this point. So very important. And next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to sketch a line in this direction. So sketch a line in this direction, so like this, and then so we have to make a short vertical line, so like this. So this is okay for me. So then so from this point here, so sketch a line in this direction. So make sure the line is parallel to this. So we have this line like this, and then so from this point, so we make a sketch of a vertical line again. So make sure so this vertical line is parallel to this line. Then so this is long enough. So for me, as we have it in the drawing, so you have to consider the dimensions on the object also. So it must not be too small than the dimensions that you are given, and must not to be too big than the dimensions that you are given. So you have to be considering the dimensions that you are given in the drawing. So then from this point, I will sketch a line in this direction. All right, so with this, then I'm going to sketch a vertical line. So from this point, I will take a vertical line down a bit. Okay, so this is okay. Then I will sketch a line, so in this direction. So considering the size from here to here, and also so I can see that so what I sketched, the space from here to here, that means the space from here to here and the space from here to here, they are almost the same. So you have to consider that also. So with this now, so I can from this point I can sketch a vertical line like this. So considering the space, as I've said, so we have to make sure the space are almost equal. So you need to practice this very well, so for you to be able to sketch it the way I'm doing. So I will connect this together, so you can see that so that shape that I showed you has come out. So let's see it again. So that is the main shape that I said you need to consider when you are making a freehand sketch of an object. So I've produced this shape as you can see it here now. So now the next thing that you are going to do is to produce the solid part, so to make it a solid isometric object. So what we have to do now, so just turn in this direction. So I'm going to sketch a line in this direction, so joining it with this point, so join it with the lowest point like this, and then I will also sketch a line from this point here. So I'm using left hand, so that is the hand that I used. Okay, so then so from this point also, so sketch a line in this direction. So sketch a line in this direction and make sure that these lines are parallel to each other. So that is what will make the object to come out very well. And then so take your time to do it. So from this point also, I will sketch a line in this direction like this. Okay, so we have this, and also from this point, so we have to sketch a line, so in this direction. So looking at the line, that the lines are parallel to each other. Okay, so looking at what I have here, so now I can now come here and then so sketch a vertical line that is parallel to this. So it goes like this. Okay, so I have it like this. Okay, then from this point here, from this point, so from this point where this vertical line touches on this line, so I will take a line to this side like this. So looking at this, that these two lines are parallel, so take note of that. Then I will turn it like this. So from where this point line touches this line, so I will take a vertical line up like this. Okay, then so from where this vertical line touches this line, so I will take a line in this direction. So we have completed the solid part. Okay, so this is it. So now, so the object is made up of two parts. If you look at the front elevation, so we have a triangle here. So this triangle in the plan is a rectangle. So we have to, and if you look at it, is in the middle of this surface, is in the middle of this surface. Okay, and then at this point also, we also have it in the middle of this line. So let me show you the line. So this line that we have here is this line at this edge here. So as you can see it, then this line drawn with short dashes line is the line at this point. Okay, because when we are looking at this object from the top, you can see the line at this point. And then so this line that we have here is this line that we have here. Okay, so also go in line with this line here, and this line that we have at this point is here. Okay, so now so let's work out this part that we see as a triangle in the front elevation, as a rectangle in the plan. So in the middle of this, have a look at it, it doesn't touch this line, so it stops somewhere around here. So first of all, need to locate so this line here. So need to locate this line. So how can we do that? So what we are to do is that we come here like this. So this is okay for me. So make a sketch of a line that will be parallel to this line. Just make it like this. Okay, so then so I will just looking at this, so from this point so to this point here, so considering the space from here to here and from here to here, so you need to use your eyes to do that. As you can see that we are not using measuring instrument, we are not using ruler here. And also I will come here also, so looking at this, so I just put a dot somewhere here, and then so put a dot somewhere here like this. Okay, so I'm going to connect so this point together. So I first of all connect this point, 2 points together like this with a line, so in this direction. So connect these 2 points together like this. Okay, then these 2 points I will connect them together like this. So this goes like this. So we have connected this together. Okay, so you can see how simple so it is. Okay, so just follow my instruction. Then so this line, so this point here, we are going to connect it with this line. So we make it, so make sure it is parallel to this line. So just go like this. Okay, and then so we have to connect this point together with this point. So turn the paper, and then so just take it like this. All right, so this is the object, so we have made it. Okay, all right, so this is how the object will look. It's as simple as I've done it here. So all you have to do is to practice. So freehand sketching, you need to practice it continuously, then you become a master at it. Thank you, keep on practicing, and let's meet on the next one.